Hello guys, welcome to the SolidWorks tips and tricks video. So let's start with the sketch. In the SolidWorks, you can add the mouse gestures for the quick command selection. So you can see this is the mouse gesture setting. You can add the various types of gestures like 4, 12, 6, whatever you want. You can also easily drag the commands in the fill just by dragging the commands. Then I can use it by making some sketches over here. So you can see I'm going to create some sketch. Here I'm accessing my mouse gestures by holding the right mouse click. So I can select the line command. Then I have some shortcuts. If you want to make your line vertical, use Alt plus V. To make it as a horizontal, use Alt plus H. And for the construction, you can use Alt plus C over here. Then let's see some trim tips. So here you can easily extend your trimming lines by holding the control key. So you can see how it works, and let's see some parts tips and tricks. So in the part, you can easily copy the features over here. So just by holding the control key, you can able to copy the features on the surface over there. Then next tips and tricks is save selection. You can easily save the selection of faces, edges over here. The selection will be saved in the feature manager tree. You will locate it as a selection set in the feature manager tree. You can see whatever I have selected, this is saved here. Then if you lost your selections by mistakenly, so you can get it back just by the previous selection option by clicking the right mouse click. Then let's see some tips and tricks of the SolidWorks sheet metal. So here is a magnifying glass that can be zoomed to the particular area. So it will help you to select the small edges present in the sheet metal. Then in the sheet metal, you can now edit the flanges, whatever the flanges you have created, you have option to edit the flange. So whatever the geometry you want, you can easily sketch that geometry and you can make it as your edge flange. So you can see I have edit my edge flange. Then in the sheet metal, there is the option of break corners. So over here, whatever the corners present in your sheet metal part, that will be converted into chamfer or fillets just by selecting the surface. In the single click, you can see all my edges are converted into chamfer. Then let's see some tips and tricks of the assembly. Here you can easily copy the parts by pressing the control key and dragging the components whatever you want to copy. So then next feature is to hide the components in assembly, use the tab key on the keyboard, and again on hide for the component you can use shift plus tab. You can see by pressing the tab the component will be hide. Then in the SolidWorks assembly, you can easily lock the rotation of the concentric mate. So there is an option available over here. So you just want to select that lock rotation option and you can see the rotating component will be locked over there. Then you can easily assemble the components just by dragging them from the edge. So just hold the Alt key and drag the component. So it will be added over here. Then let's see some drawing tips and tricks. You can easily add the projected views by the view palette of the SolidWorks. Then you have a rapid dimension option that can help you to locate your dimensions easily to outside your geometry. Then you can easily break the projected view alignment over here. So I'm just taking the projected view. So just by holding the control key, you can able to break the projected view link. Then if you want to again align that projected view with the native view, you can easily add it by the alignment option. Okay, then let's see some dimension tips over here. I'm creating the detail view. Then you have a chain dimension option over here. Just select the baseline. According to that, the dimensions were given just by selecting the edges, and dimensions were applied by referencing your last edge which you have selected over here. Then you can also remove the dimensions and combine it with the baseline. So here I am combining the base. So the dimension will be given according to the baseline over here. Then see some bill of material tips and tricks. You can now easily review your components in the bill of material. So you can see here in the BOM table all the preview of the components were available, and also you can export this BOM table in the Excel, and also you can show the preview of components over here. You just want to select the thumbnail option over here. You can see I'm going to select and save. Let's see the Excel. You can see all the uh, preview of the components were available. So thank you for watching the video. Thank you.